I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on N26 is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the N26 app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal information section. Step 3. Edit your details. In the profile section, look for the Edit button. Tap it to start making changes to your name, address, or other personal information. Step 4. Save changes. After updating your details, make sure to hit the Save button to apply the changes. If you forget this step, your updates won't be saved, and you'll have to redo them. Step 5. Verify your changes. Finally, check your profile again to ensure all changes are reflected correctly. This is a good way to confirm that everything is up to date. If you follow these steps, updating your profile on N26 should be a breeze. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy banking!